We guide you through how to reuse YouTube music under Creative Commons safely and correctly. First thing to do is to open YouTube and search for the type of music you want. Then, tap Filters and choose Creative Commons to show only videos that allow reuse. Open the video and scroll down to the description to confirm the license says Creative Commons Attribution, which means you're allowed to reuse it as long as you credit the creator. Next, check if the uploader is the original owner of the audio because some channels re-upload copyrighted music with incorrect licensing. After confirming it's legitimate, copy the music details you'll need for attribution, including creator's name, the song title, and the license link. Then, download the audio using YouTube Studio's built-in audio library, or use a downloader only if the creator allows reuse outside YouTube. Always double-check their terms. In your video editor, add the audio and then paste proper credit in your description, such as music by the name Creative Commons Attribution License. This protects your channel from copyright claims. And finally, remember that Creative Commons does not mean free for everything. Some tracks only allows reuse with attribution, some allows edits, and some prohibited commercial use. So, always read the license carefully. Once you follow these steps, you can safely reuse YouTube music for your videos without worrying about copyright issues.